Do you use Phone Link with your Microsoft Surface Duo or Duo 2 like I do? Do you use RCS messaging like I do? Guess what? We're not supported with RCS messaging right now, but take a look at who is. Okay, look at that. Samsung. If you have anything from a 10 up, looks like you're supported. So I actually have an S10 and an S21 Ultra. Both of those devices would be supported should I put my SIM card into one of them, which I will not. This is not the only feature that's not supported on the Surface Duo 2 or Duo that is supported on Samsung. I've been looking for this one and decided to go look at the support list to see what it has to say. And of course, you see it. We need to complain, people. Fire messages at Microsoft. Tweet at them. I just tweeted just a little bit ago. At Dale Ross is my Twitter handle. Come follow me and retweet my tweet. Make a comment, making certain that you comment to MS Phone Link. That's it. Thanks for watching.